Welcome to Tiyeni Ana TV.
Hello, children. Welcome to Tiyeni Ana TV. Today, we are going to learn about our body parts. This is the head. These are the shoulders. These are the knees. These are the toes. Great job, kids! Now let's sing a song, children.
Mwana John walila mutu pwete kaine mapewa kupwete kaine maondo pizala
Tiyeni Ana TV.